sourced or that encourages to change their attitude, values or behavior. The way we react to peer pressure puts a positive or a negative impact on us. Peer pressure helps in growth from self-introspection and efficiency. We can learn from our most ridiculed fears to incorporate good values. Peer pressure helps in growth from exposure. For example, you are in a group and you are the weakest, but you don't want to be left out. So, you level up yourself and spread your wings. And that eventually helps you to grow and become confident and independent. As a motivational speaker, Jim Rohn said, you are an average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose them wisely. We make videos on topics like these and our environment. If you think we are making sense, then share this video to your friends and to your families.